down too hard on your acceleration, flooding her out.
I'll handle this, Gomer.
I think Gomer's right. I smell gas. You smell gas, Andy?
I smell gas.
I smell gas.
I smell gas.
I smell gas, too.
All right. You smell gas. Of course you smell gas. What do you think this car runs on, coal?
And on this farm he had a chicken. E-I-E-I-O. With a chick here, chick there,
Wait a
here,
minute.
chick there, chick there.
Hold it, everybody, listen.
Just bumps on the road.